So I tried to rinse off these marshmallows, but it turns out they're rock hard. I have no idea how I'm going to clean this. Hopefully this isn't a bigger problem, but we'll find out soon enough. Let's try and get it with my spoon. It's nasty. It's all hard. Gross. Ew, and it's smelly. I think this one is eventually going to be got. But what I really need to worry about is this. Because I can't really... Oh, I can chip away at it. Chipping away. Yeah. Chipping away. Like it's nobody's business. Oh, yes. Oh, man. I fail. Maybe if I put it in the microwave again, it'll burn it all off. Just kidding, that was a horrible idea. We're gonna go with hot water. The red. Yes. Hot water. Hot boiling water. It's not hot yet. It's still not hot. Oh, it's getting warmer. And it's getting warmer. Still kind of cold. Oh, it's getting warm. It's warm now. It's not hot yet, but in a few seconds it's going to be really hot. In a few seconds. Okay, it's pretty hot. Yes. Rinse off, you filthy marshmallows that I had burnt. Yes. Oh, hey, I think it's actually working. Is it? Yeah. Maybe. And this part is going to be rough. It's like a big chunk of dry, melted, horrible, ugly marshmallow. It's almost all completely off. There's just a little brown stuff. But, maybe, just maybe, it'll go off in the dishwasher. Because right now it doesn't look conspicuous or anything. So I think I can just put it in the washer and nobody will know that it ever had marshmallows on it. Okay. Let's see how this cereal bowl works out. Oh, look at that water. It's all brown. Yeah, I think it's working. It's falling. I guess that stuff wants to stay up there. Ew, brown water. Hot brown water. Well, yeah, it's almost entirely clean. All clean, yay! Now we just gotta put it in the dishwasher. Except all these dishes are clean. So that means I have to put them away so I can put these things as well as all the other dirty dishes in the dishwasher. So I think I'll just do that later. And now I think I'll show my face in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.